So I'm making this headboard and shelves, I don't know. And the design is a little bit tricky because first it needs to be easy to disassemble, so that means no glue. And second, all the screws need to be hidden, so you know, pocket holes. But I don't think this headboard will be solid enough with just a few screws, and anyway, I don't think they're gonna be able to bear the weight. Traditional joinery, however, would do the job, but again, no glue. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use both. Well, I mean, I already used it since it's put together, but yeah. So this is gonna be pretty simple. I'm just gonna do the mortise and tenon thing, and then the pocket holes will go in between them.